Hey everyone. So guys, today we learned about what is prostitution, and along with that we'll also try to understand about whether prostitution is legalized in India or not, and also we'll understand whether what kind of laws do we have to face the challenges of the prostitution in our country. Okay, so now first let's understand what is prostitution. The prostitution means any kind of practice or business for any kind of sexual activity. Okay, of in terms of exchange of money, then we can tell it as prostitution. Very simple. So where there is any kind of practice or business in terms of sexual activity for the terms of money is called as prostitution. And when you ask the question about what is prostitution, whether it is legalized in India, the answer is yes, prostitution is legalized in India. However, there are certain kind of limitations and restrictions. Okay, little kind of limitations and restrictions. What are those kind of limitations and restrictions? Very simple. So while prostitution is there should be no kind of brothels. Okay, brothels, that means that there should be no kind of industry setup or any kind of company setup in name of prostitution. That is not legalized, it's illegal. Brothels and trafficking should not happen. Very important. So in case if trafficking is happening, then that is considered as illegal, and then you will be held as punishable and accountable for it. Okay, trafficking, brothels, and we have solcing and pimping. That means arranging the clients and other things if you're doing, then it is not legal, as such you'll be held punishable. Now, very important to understand that what are the laws do we have like for example, if prostitution is happening, if it is for a minor or it is for a girl child, so then what are the laws do we have? We have something called as Immoral Traffic Act. Okay, we have something called as Immoral Traffic Act. What is Immoral Traffic Act? See, for example, it's like it provides regulations in which where prostitution is done in illegal way, then you will be held punishable. So first we have Immoral Traffic Act. Second one, we have Section 372 and Section 373. Now, what is Section 372 and Section 373? Now, the prostitution of a child is punishable under this sections. Okay, so if there is any kind of prostitution for a child, it is really punishable. It comes under which section? Section 372 and Section 373. And along with that, we have Section 366A, 366B and 370A. For example, it's a punishable offense for having a prostitution with a minor. 366A, 366B, 370A, it is punishable offense under the having a prostitution with a minor. So I hope now you got a clarity, and now you can ask me whether is there any rights for them, these prostitutes. Yes, the prostitutes do have, for them fundamental rights are also available to them, like how like normal citizens like us, even they also have the fundamental rights. And government, central and state government is also coming up with different kind of vocational training for the prostitutes. Why? Because the main reason why they have shifted into this particular domain of working is because of getting less amount of job or any kind of opportunities. But surely by government initiatives, it could be this, surely there will be a positive mindset of how they can overcome the problem of prostitution by providing vocational and other kind of training. So that's all. I hope you guys got a clarity. Hope to see you up in the next video. Until then, goodbye.